So it's been said that there's going to be a lockdown in 2021, early in 2021, when Joe Biden, becomes president, takes office, all of those things. Well, then everyone thinks that there's going to be a lockdown. As you can see, people are getting ready. So Upwork is going to directly benefit Dropbox, Fiverr, or some companies that are going to directly benefit from this. And these companies are always going to be around, even after the lockdown that is going to happen, supposedly. So Upwork is going to do really amazing. That is why I think if you're thinking that this company is not going to go up, then you're not going to invest in it. But I do expect it to go up because of not just that, but because this company is just really strong and it's one of the major leaders in this industry, in this space. And there's only one other person you think of when you think of freelance services, which is Fiverr, which has a way higher valuation. That company has been up a massive amount. This company since 2018 hasn't been up nearly as much. So it recently went up a lot because of their earnings, and so yeah, it skyrocketed a good bit, around 40% that day. So Upwork is really starting to pick up momentum lately. Does that mean there's going to be a downside anytime soon? Well, if you're investing, I recommend investing for the long term. Long term, there's no worries whatsoever with Upwork. But yes, it could be a downside 5%, 10%. But with this company, I don't see 20%, 30% downside just because the fact that this company hasn't really went up since its IPO. It's just been always under $20. It's just been stagnant. So I think this is well deserved, but it could be a little bit of a downside because it happened in such a short period of time. But remember, you're investing for the long term. If it doesn't happen and it just keeps going up, well, then you would have missed out on an amazing opportunity. Therefore, you shouldn't always wait for every single cent or penny. But I do expect maybe a downside 5%, 10%, but nothing over that just because this was well deserved. So if you're wondering if it's a buy, sell, or hold, I think it's a buy personally. If you're looking for lockdown plays, I think Upwork, Fiverr, Dropbox are some of the best plays for that. So therefore, as you can see, I do expect a lot of growth with this company. So I feel like this company has had a lot of growth, but the stock price really hasn't reflected it. So this company is already a growth company. The stock price just hasn't reflected it until very recently. This is a company I covered very early on, I believe around $20, $15, something like that. Now it's up almost 50, 40%. So this company has done really well for my subscribers. Therefore, if you're not subscribed already, make sure that you subscribe. But like I said, it's supposedly going to be a lockdown in 2021. I think a lot of people are feeling that this is going to be sooner or later. I don't expect a stock market crash or anything like that. I don't expect the Dow to reach less than 25,000 points, but I do expect that this. I do expect this. I don't expect the stock market crash to be as bad as it was before. It's because before it was uncertainty. It really happened in a very short period of time and it was very quickly. Nobody expected it. But now we can people are expecting it a little bit more. So yeah, and I don't expect it to have that uncertainty nearly as much as it had in early 2020. So yeah, that's what I think about the stock market crash. That's what I think about if this company is a buy, sell, or hold. That's what I think about the lockdown. If you found anything in this video very useful, make sure that you subscribe and hit the like button as well as comment down below and check out my previous videos. So this is not a full-fledged stock review, but you can go check out my previous stock reviews on this company. Thank you so much for your time. Thank you for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more.